Hello guys, my name is Bridget and my topic is, can stricter laws make gun possession safer? So here are some regulations that are already in place into who and who cannot own a gun. So in the United States, under federal law, you can't own a gun if you've been convicted of certain felonies, or if you have court orders that like restraining orders, or you've been committed against domestic violence, or if you are known to have a serious mental disorder. And in some states, not all, but they require to be at least 18 years of age. And you also need to pass like a federal background check and have certain licenses and permits that certain state requires you. So what can the criminal justice system do in order to make it stricter or safer? Some states can imply stricter regulations, like making it a requirement to have a permit in order to be able to purchase the gun. Something else is like limit the number of guns that they're allowed to have, and like limit the capacity that the gun magazines can carry. Something else they can do is like implement hospital-based or like community-based violence intervention programs so people can be more aware and just have that help for them. So mass shootings can be avoided. There have been studies where there has clear evidence that school shootings can be preventable. There's analysis that 67 school shootings that occurred could have been avoided if interventions taken in place, such as people would have noticed the violence actions and were able to distinguish what they were trying to do and like be able to prevent that. And they can also have prevention programs, which is also really helpful. So some pros of owning a gun is you have personal protection. There's also some pros that boost your well-being and your mental well-being as well. It boosts your confidence and makes you feel a little less stressed, more safer. Some cons, they're costly. There's more risk of violence. It makes people nervous, scared, like that's how they feel. There could be higher crime rate. People can be irresponsible with the gun, and it can make, if you have a gun in your house, it can make it a little more dangerous. So sentencing for illegal possession of handguns in the state of Georgia, if someone is convicted, it's a felony, and they will be sentenced to 5 years in prison. Having a convictions, it brings like life term of consequences that can impact your opportunities of getting a job, education, like anything, buying a home. So how easy is it to purchase a handgun for bad? So people can purchase these handguns secondhand from a random person. They can steal them. There's a technique that they use as a straw purchase sales, meaning that someone else buys the gun for them. They can get it from a licensed corrupt commercial gun owners, or like anywhere, black market, online, places that are not like rightly licensed. Is making new gun laws a violation of our rights? As it turned out, under the Second Amendment, the government cannot restrict the right to possess firearms unless the restriction is consistent with historical tradition. However, that doesn't mean the states can't regulate the types of firearms that people can have. The government can only enforce stricter laws on guns, but they can't ban them away or take them away from you completely. So there's also programs and classes on gun safety. In the state of Georgia, they offer a firearm and training academy. They offer pistol safety classes, firearm training, and tactical firearm training in Atlanta. So how can you feel safe without a gun? You can invest in security system. You can set cameras up around your home so you know what's going on, give you peace of mind. Another alternative is owning a gun. They're friendly, they have good instincts, and they can help you feel safe. And these are my references that I use. Thank you.